Hello everyone, I am Unsafe Play and welcome back. Another Global City tutorial. Today I will be showing you everything you will need to add your first helicopter. Let's begin. Through the video I will be using some abbreviations. Some of the words are a little bit long to include in the text. You will be starting your airport, stage 1. You will be building an airport. All of your items, coins, on the screen for you. After you get your airport built, you will be coming over here to the control tower. All of the items, materials, and coins that you will need on the screen for you. You will, after you complete your control tower, you will then be working on your helipad. After you finish your helipad, you will be able to buy your first helicopter. I will be buying mine today with you guys. You buy your helicopter, goal achieved, and they will bring you to your cargo airport orders and all of the items that you need for your orders. Let's send Plink. Click the icon above your control tower. They will give me a free speed up. Which will begin your next stages of construction. I hope the video has helped. Until the next, I'm out of here.